We will be converting the mass of elements and compounds into moles. These are referred to as mass to mole conversions. First, you need to know what a mole is. The word mole can be abbreviated MOL. I know it's not much of an abbreviation, but that's it. A mole is a quantity of parts or pieces. We can use this in terms of atoms. The amount that a mole refers to is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. This is referred to as Avogadro's number, out of respect for the research that Avogadro did. Since a mole is a quantity, it's a word kind of like we use the word dozen. 1 dozen eggs is 12 eggs. Well, like that, 1 mole of helium atoms would be the number of a mole, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. If it's molecules, for example, 1 mole of sodium chloride molecules is still 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules, because mole refers to this quantity. If I had Skittles and I had a mole of Skittles, I would have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd Skittles. Now here's how we apply moles to molar mass. We've already calculated molar mass. That amount is the amount of grams per mole of that element, atom, compound, mixture, whatever. So let's look at water. Water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So the mass of water, when added together, comes out to 18.02 grams per mole. That is to say, for every 1 mole of water, the mass is 18.02 grams. And that can now serve as a conversion factor. The next thing we'll learn how to do is how to use that molar mass to then convert to the number of atoms themselves. So if we have our molar mass, which is how many grams per mole, we can convert to the number of moles. From the number of moles, we can use Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, and determine, we can use Avogadro's number to convert to the number of atoms or molecules, depending on what we're converting. The idea is always take it to the mole. If you have the number of atoms, convert to moles. That's either the answer, or you convert one more time to grams. If you have grams, you convert to moles. That's either the answer, or you can convert on to atoms or molecules. Basically, always take it to the mole.